thin crust Brooklyn style pizza. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video I'm going to try to replicate famous Lucali's pizza. If you don't know what kind of pizza that is, it's a special kind of pizza. This is Lucali's Pizzeria. Is probably the most famous pizza place in the United States right now. There's a 4-hour wait on average for their pizza, and they make it different. How different? Watch the video and find out. Let's go. Alright, we're going to start making this pizza, and you'll see what's different about this pizza. It's not traditional at all. You'll find out why. You're going to roll it, okay, against all the conventional wisdom. Looks good. Now the second thing about this pizza is the large crust. As you can see, the crust is going to be extra large in this pizza because that's the way they do it. And it's this pizza is a blend of cheeses. So I'm guessing the first cheese is Parmigiano Reggiano. You're going to put some Pecorino Romano. And then we're going to do mozzarella. Pretty excited to find out how this pizza turns out. Never made pizza like this before, so it's going to be fun. See if you can replicate it at home. You can do the famous Lucali Pizza at home. If you want to find out how I made this dough, I have a video on how to make New York dough. I have my New York dough pizza recipe, so watch that video and it'll show you how to make this dough. Okay, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's take it to the oven. There you have it. The famous Lucali's Pizza. People wait 4 hours for this pizza in Brooklyn, on Henry Street. See what the bottom looks like. Whoa. That looks beautiful. Looks real nice. Looks great. It's a thin crust. So if thin crust is something you're into, super thin crust, do it this way. Roll it. You'll get that cracker-like crust. So let's try this thing. See what it tastes like. I don't know if you can tell, but it's real windy out here. Try a slice of this pizza. Here's another slice. I think I came really close to replicating it. See what it tastes like. It's thin. It holds up pretty good, I gotta say. It's delicious. It's really good. I didn't think I would be a fan of a pizza dough that you roll instead of stretch, you know, but you push all the bubbles out. So if you want to do something different, have a little fun with pizza, try making Lucali's Pizza. Tastes great, it's delicious. You can use an old bottle of wine to roll it. It's fun. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.